Okay, we are Ahsan, Mario, Nora, and Bimo. We are code warriors and we built OpCharge. OpCharge is a web app that strategically suggests locations for electric vehicle charging stations in the Windsor area using machine learning. So some of the basic features our web app includes is user input, so it allows for user to input the amount of stations they want to display on the web app. It also avoids highways, so no stations are going to be on the highway. And it also has, we have the GPS coordinates displayed in the web app.
So our web app has 5 additional features. Number 1, detailed location output. Our web app will display street location of the coordinate. Number 2, zone consideration. Our web app avoids residential areas and takes population density into account when finding the locations of these new charging stations. Number 3, road quality. Chargers are not placed on small roads or roads with high traffic. Number 4, trip length considered. And number 5, it is a web app. Our web app has one advanced feature, which is it displays chargers on a map.
During data analysis, we found that there are more number of data points in highly populated areas and less data points in low populated areas. We then plotted our data points on a 2D Cartesian system. Here you can see that our graph accurately resembles the map of Windsor. Our algorithm uses unsupervised machine learning to determine where to place new charging stations. Using clustering, we set the number of stations to build equal to the number of clusters. From these clusters, we get the center points called centroids. However, these centroids are predicted coordinates of the area where stations should be built. So we need to find the closest GPS coordinate in our actual dataset from these predicted coordinates. We filtered through our dataset and produced this map of GPS coordinates. These are the most ideal conditions, so meaning no residential areas, no highways, no small roads, and many more. Now all we have to do is find which GPS coordinate on this map is closest to our predicted coordinates. Our algorithm finally plots the most ideal coordinates for new charging stations on a map.
Here is our web app, which we call OpCharge. There are 3 main components of this web app: the home page, the about page, and the theme page. Now let us see this web app in action. Suppose that the city of Windsor plans on installing 10 new chargers. Then we type in 10, and now the web app will output a map that shows where the 10 points should be located to optimize the charger